got strong provisions for workers and the environment. Provisions that, unlike in past agreements, are actually enforceable. And unlike past trade agreements, these standards are actually enforceable. But I repeated what I've said publicly, which is that any agreement needs to be verifiable and enforceable. We did not have a strong, enforceable international mechanism to really put the squeeze on Iran around its nuclear program, despite the fact that it violated a range of UN and non-proliferation treaty requirements.
It gives us the opportunity to negotiate high standards agreements that have enforceable labor and environmental provisions.
If you don't like NAFTA, this TPP trade deal overhauls NAFTA with enforceable, much stronger labor and environmental standards, which means that they won't undercut us as easily.